Hi everybody, it's Andreas again at Recreational Power Sports. Just thought we'd go through a quick washdown kit for our jet boats and our pontoon boats. A lot of our customers like to wash down their units from just dust, debris, the birds, or fish guts, or if you have a fish table inside your boat, you just want to wash things down. It's really nice and easy. The cool thing about our Jabsco system is it's a 4-gallon 6 psi unit. Got 60 psi. It's got really good power. It's a 25. Comes with a nozzle, the 25-foot hose. The only thing it doesn't come with that I added is this little bulkhead fitting here that allows you to hide all of the extra stuff that's behind you, and all you see is the nozzle sticking out. So you can attach the blue spray down, wash down hose whenever you want to use it, and then nicely tuck it away out of the way, and all there is the bulkhead fitting for an additional $46. So that's not included in your kit. So you get the spray nozzle with the hose. I added the bulkhead fitting. The bilge hose is cheap. It's like $2 a foot. We have lots of that. Just measure what you need. The Jabsco pump has an extra filter built into it. And then what I did was I took my draw hose down, and you can mount this wherever you want, inside the back of your boat, down by your pontoons, or in your fishing boat. It's just a through hull fitting with the screen, so that the pump doesn't suck up all the debris and clog up the other filter. Now this is a spin-on filter that you can spin it on and off to remove debris inside here as well. It's just when you're sucking up the lake water, you want to pre-screen it before you do suck it up. So the cool thing about the Jabsco pump is just use one of your accessory switches on your dash, or you can add a toggle switch for $10 for it. It's a great little washdown kit. You can even use it on your dock if you wanted to spray your dock down, because we all know birds like to hang out on our lake lot docks. So it's a great little washdown kit. I think we have 4 in stock. The price is at $269 from $303 because we bought them on our booking order. So we had a really good price on them, and it's just a great little handy kit.